printer, like most businesses that contact Nexus, they'd grown out of their existing premises, they'd found a new premises and they wanted some assistance to see if it was a suitable fit for them.
Did a project for another company called CDL a few years ago, and they recommended us to James. James needed more space. He's outgrown his current facility.
So I've seen the work that they'd done, spoke to Neil, who was one of the directors at the time. He recommended him. So the initial telephone conversation was, what did we need within the space, this warehouse, where the mezzanine floor was going to go in. I came up with 2 different engineering departments, office, meeting room, canteen, reception, and then Next looked at the plan of the building. They kind of came up with all the ideas of where it was best suited, where it's best going, and we kind of went from there.
We were given a drawing initially and a brief, and there were a lot of things to consider on this one, because not only were we designing the office and welfare facilities and storage through the mezzanine, we've also got involved with the warehouse fit out itself and demarcation of the floors. You can see the floors have been painted, the racking for storing the pallets, the locker room mezzanine at the other entrance for the staff. So we've taken care of everything within this unit.
We've changed quite a few things, added different elements and added various different extras, which they've coped with fine. Really easy going, quickly and effectively, and all within budget as well. They took all the stress out of it. So I wasn't here to be site manager or project manager. They just took over, ran it. And I got involved when I wanted to be involved. And so I can get on my day-to-day job of running business, the old warehouse, and they got on building a new one.
The new building's fantastic because it allows them their initial expansion that was required, but it's also designed for the future. So there's more racking locations, the workshops are bigger than needed, and there's more desk positions, so they can really sort of crack on, grow the business, and hopefully expand even more.
Nexus are great because the price, product, and the quality of what they've delivered is outstanding, and they're really easy to deal with. We're already discussing extending the mezzanine within the next couple of months, so I think I can't say much more than that, can I really?